Oh, we're filming? Oh, sorry. Hey, it's Norman BMX Josh here, and today's my Haro 300.2 bike check. Get back. Yeah, it's 2011. I got some new grips just now, so I put them on, and they're ODIs. Yeah, me and my friend, he helped me out put the bar ends in, because the bar ends just for stubborn, you wouldn't go in there. Oh yeah, and he helped me get the old grips off. The old grips were crap. They ripped in like 2 weeks. Oh yeah, these are the new ones, ODI long necks. Oh yeah, you know you like it. I shortened them down a little bit. I don't know why, I just did. And I cut the flanges off. So I got those and Eastern bar ends, clear teal or red or blue or something, I don't freaking know. United handlebars, I'm just kidding. Haro handlebars with 8.5 rise, demolition stem, King Creek headset, integrated headset, gyro that's really crappy and loud. I got Haro 300.2 frame. Okay, get back towards them. I got animal stitch pivot seat. Put a coat around there and you go faster. We got Haro cranks in black. They're 3-piece cranks. 25-2 sprocket KMC chain and stock crappy bottom bracket. Everything on my bike is awesome except for my bottom bracket. I got Eastern Fuquay flatter tire in 2.3 though. 110 PSI in the front and back. Alienation rims laced to a Clydesdale hub. In the front and the back, you know. Let's see. And alienation rim in the back, laced to a Quando hub that's cassette. You wanna hear my hub sound? Stand back. Oh yeah, and Haro Cycle PC pedals. See ya. Okay, stop it. All right.